Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories, so if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and you'll know when I upload a new video. Okay, here we go. I've done it again. Now, one of my most recent videos was an unboxing of a pre-loved pair of Fendi shoes. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below so you can check it out. And I have here another shoe box from Fendi, and inside is another pair of pre-loved shoes. Now, if you've watched any of my videos or you know anything about me, you know what my favourite Fendi shoes are. So no prizes for guessing what type of shoes are in here. But they are quite different to anything I have bought before. So I'm going to tell you a very quick little story time about how I came to have these. And apologies, you know, that I'm not going to unbox first, but these are worth waiting for, I promise you that. So a few days ago I was woken up in the middle of the night by Pebbles, my little cat, because she does like to do most of her eating during the night, so I had to get up in the early hours and get her some food. And I had a little bit of trouble going back to sleep, so I did the worst thing you can do, is pick up my phone, and I started scrolling. And I started scrolling through Facebook, and I saw these shoes in a Facebook group that I'm in up for sale. I did do the sensible thing and say to myself, no, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm not really in a fit state to make any decisions about purchasing luxury items. I'm going to put my phone down, I'm going to look at it in the morning, and if they're still there, if they're still for sale and I decide I want them, then maybe it was meant to be. If they're not there anymore, then it wasn't meant to be. So yes, I did get up in the morning, I got various tasks and things out of the way, and I was sitting down to a fairly late breakfast, and I suddenly thought, right, let's have another quick look at those shoes, see if they're there, see if they're still available. Went to the Facebook group, and sure enough they were still available, and I looked at them for, I must admit, only a couple of moments, and I thought, yeah, I'm going to buy those. They were my size and the price was amazing, and I looked at them and I thought, they're not me, but they kind of are me, and that might sound a bit weird. So although they are the type of Fendi shoes I love, the actual design on them is not normally something I would go for in footwear, but it is something I would probably go for in clothing. So I actually decided, yeah, although they're a little bit out there for me, they might actually suit me, and I fell in love with them, and I just thought, yeah, it's going to be all about the styling, so, you know, I'm going to take a chance. I messaged the seller, we did the transaction, it was very smooth, very easy, and literally a couple of days later they arrived. So they were all wrapped up. Box is a little bit battered, but the shoes themselves are unworn, because this particular seller does not sell designer luxury shoes that have been worn. She will only sell unworn shoes. So here they are. So I'm going to not keep you in any further suspense. I'm going to unbox these. And when I said these are worth waiting for, these truly are worth waiting for. I think these are going to surprise and delight a few people. A word that springs to mind when I think about these shoes is delicious. So they came in their dust bags and they are wrapped up. So I'm going to take them both out. I'm sorry, I'm going to prolong this, but I'm going to take them both out of their dust bags. Here comes the other one, and it's in the tissue. Take it out of the tissue. So they were very securely packaged. Put the box out of the way, and here we go. Here are the shoes. They are a pair of Fendi Colibris. Obviously you knew that was probably coming, a pair of Colibris, and they are in this amazing sort of black and white or black and cream check design with these pink flowers. And if I put them up so you can hopefully see them in focus, there you go, get them in all their glory, the kind of pink and cream, or different couple of different colours of pink, and then they've got the band across the middle there in kind of a very pale pink and black. I'm trying to get them into focus. Padding on the heel, and oh my goodness, I didn't notice this before. I had a very quick look when they arrived, and I literally kept them mainly wrapped up in the box so that I could show them to you here. I've just realised the heel. Look at the heel. It's kind of a bamboo effect. Wow, I never saw that. I didn't realise that. In the pictures, the heel just looked like a normal sort of goldish coloured heel. Oh, wow. So yeah, they've got this kind of bamboo effect on the heel. I don't know if that is going into focus. But they are the lower heels, obviously. The 5.5 centimetre, which is my preferred. But, I mean, they're just gorgeous. They are just adorable. I think they are beautiful. I've not got anything like this at all. And I have no idea what collection these came from. There is a thing on the box. Again, I don't know if I can get that into focus. And it says they are W slingback fabric leather sole, pink MLN. I don't know what the MLN stands for. And black cream. Size 39. They were size 39, which is my size. In these shoes, I'm either a 39 or 39.5. I can get away with either of those sizes. And their original price was €795. So I think these were originally bought in Europe. So €795. A few years ago, I'd imagine. So because I think whatever collection they are from, it is from a few years ago, because they're certainly not from a recent collection. Now, what did I pay? I paid £180. So when I saw them for £180, I just thought bargain. You know, Fendi Colibris, way cheaper than the normal retail price. You can see they are unworn. They have a few little marks on the sole, but that's purely from, I think, somebody trying them on. But yeah, they definitely are unworn. You can see they've not been out at all. The sole is different from some of my other Colibris, where it's slightly kind of got that slight sort of suede effect on it, but it's still got the little toe box part there that you usually see on Fendi Colibri soles. And yeah, I can't stop looking at them. They're just so cute, so adorable. As I said, I've got no footwear like this at all. Nothing with flowery designs on or anything like that. The closest I've got is my very bright pink kind of June Lupe sandals, but I've got nothing like this with this sort of pattern or design on it. As I said, I would wear clothing with flowers with patterns on, but I wouldn't normally wear shoes. So I think these are definitely going to be all in the styling. I'm going to put some mod shots in, or at least see, if I can't get a full length mod shot, I will show you me trying them on. With mod shots, I did say on an Instagram post a little while ago, so if you're not following me on Instagram, please go over there and give me a follow. But I did say I find it very difficult to do mod shots because the room where I've got a full length mirror is a bit of a work in progress at the moment. It's got quite a lot of stuff in it that I'm in the process of sorting out, and I'm kind of doing a bit of a refurbishment of that room. I'm trying to get some new wardrobes, some new storage solutions, and things are in a bit of a mess there, so it's a little bit difficult at the minute for me to find the space to actually stand and do a full length mod shot. So you'll have to bear with me. I've got one mirror that I can kind of do one in front of, so I'll do the best I can to do one and pop it up here when I've done it. But as I say, if I can't get a full length mod shot, I'll definitely put some pictures of these on my feet showing me actually wearing them. But yeah, I don't know what else to say about them. They're just, yeah, they're my favourite shoe, my favourite luxury shoe, and they are just such a cool design. I love the check. It's so kind of distinctive against the flowers. You've got the boldness and the kind of very square design of the check, and then you've got this lovely softer design of the flowers. So yeah, I just think they're amazing. And these heels, as I say, I didn't even notice when I first had a quick peek in the box. I didn't even notice that these were bamboo heels. So these are now my 8th pair of Colibris. I am catching up with Meredith, unbelievably, because I think she's on about 12 or 13 pairs of Colibris, something along those lines. I've got 8. I'm nearly catching up with her. I'm snapping at her heels, literally, with Colibris. Yeah, so I don't collect, but I'm in danger of actually having a collection of Colibris, aren't I? Yeah, I don't know. I don't view myself as a collector of luxury goods, but I'm actually kind of a little bit of a collector of Colibris now, really, aren't I? But yes, I've got 8 pairs altogether. I've got 4 pairs, including this one, of these lower heeled Colibris with the open back. I've got 1 pair of the lower heeled with the closed in back, and then I've got 3 pairs of the higher heeled Colibris. 2 of them have got this thicker heel, but obviously just a bit longer, and 1 pair is the pair of Colibri lights in the higher heel. That's my gold pair. That's the only pair of Colibris I haven't actually worn. All my other Colibris I've worn, obviously apart from these, because I've just bought these. But the gold pair I haven't worn, and there's a whole story around why I haven't worn them yet, and I'm hoping that I will get to wear them soon, and if I can find that video that tells the story about them, I'll link that down below as well. But yes, I am just blown away by these. These are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to have these. I just think they're just amazing, and I'm so looking forward to getting out and wearing these and styling them, and yeah, and putting them with some outfits. They're just beautiful shoes. So different for me. They really are just out there for me, but I'm loving them. So yeah, I hope you love them too. Please let me know what you think down in the comments. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you everyone ever so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.